Let's keep rolling, folks. We're looking at the shortcut for nodal analysis. We saw this problem before. This is the first problem we had that had a supernode in it, and we can use the shortcut. We just got to tweak the questions we ask, but it's perfectly doable. I just went ahead and put it in the center this time, but we got 4 non-reference nodes, just like we did before. A, B, C, D. Remember when you learned the alphabet? You needed it for college. Here it is. Okay, A, B, C, D. All right, and also notice that we have a supernode. Okay, we got that 8 volt between B and C, so that forms a supernode. So we're going to have a 4 by 4. Okay, we're going to have a 4 by 4, and we got to go through and ask ourselves the questions again. But let's make a plan here. Let's write a KVL for the supernode. Right, let's write a KCL for the supernode. And then I believe we had a KCL for A and a KCL for D. All right, let's see what that looks like. So that's just my plan. I usually don't write that, but I want it in my head so while I'm working the problem, I can figure out what's going on. Okay. A, B, C, D. KVL for the supernode. Okay, so this one, A is not connected to it. B is on the positive side, so that gets +1. C is on the negative side, so it gets -1. And everything else gets 0. And the right-hand side is simply 8. That's it. Okay. The KCL for the supernode. Now we got to think about this whole supernode situation. What is A connected to that's also connected to the supernode? And it's this R2. It's 6 here. So it's going to be -1/6. What is connected to B that's also connected to the supernode? So because it's part of the supernode, it's going to be positive, and it's this 6 and the 12. So it's going to be 1/6 plus 1/12. Okay, let me stick that in brackets just so that we know that that's one entry, because we're getting a little cozy here again. What's connected to C that's connected to the supernode? It looks like I got the 4 and the 8. Again, it's part of the supernode. So we get 1/4 and 1/8. Getting a little sloppy. Okay. And then last one over here, what's connected to C that's also connected to D? And we get -1/8 from R5. There are no current supplies going in or out of the supernode, so we get 0 there. Okay, not too bad. We got 2 more rows, but these are rows that we've done before, so we should be in good shape. KCL for A, and we say what's connected to A, so we get 1/3 plus 1/6, also known as 1/2. Yeah, I should have written this way bigger. I think you'll survive. Sorry. Okay, that's one entry. What's connected to A that's also connected to B? 1/6. What's connected to A that's also connected to C? Nothing. What's connected to A that's also connected to D? Nothing. Are there any current supplies? Nope. Okay, last one. Moving over to node D here. What's connected to D that's also connected to A? Nothing. What's connected to D that's also connected to B? Nothing. What's connected to D that's also connected to C? And we got R5, so we get -1/8. Okay, and what's connected to D? Period. 1/5 from R6 and 1/8 from R5. No current supplies on that one either. Okay, so let's go ahead and calculate that. Supernode's not that big a deal when it comes to the shortcut. I'm hoping you feel that too. If not, practice, practice, practice. 0, 1, -1, 0, 8. -6 inverted, 6 inverted, 12 inverted, 4 inverted, 8 inverted, negative 8 inverted, 0, 3 inverted, 6 inverted. This is the best part of the whole video. Negative 1, 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, negative 8, 5 inverted, 8 inverted, and 0. Okay, from that, I get VA, VB, it's behind my head, nope, VC, VD, and I get 1.67 volts, 5.02 volts, negative 2.98 volts, and negative 1.15 volts. Okay, duck down. All right, I'm pretty sure that's good. Those feel familiar to me as well. Let's go check the record. I would leave this to you, but something tells me you're just trying to get through these. Hope you're learning something from previous video. All right, so let me go grab that file, and it looks like this. It is a 4x4, and I don't think we're going to get these all on the screen again, but it looks like, oh, I'll go away. Oh, nope, I'll go away. There we go. Wrong transition. Looks like we got the same values all the way down, and take a moment and convince yourself that the rows are equivalent. I'm going to start leaving that up to you. Okay, we got the same solution. It's a lot quicker. 6 minutes. That was a 4x4. Cut me some slack. Okay, let's see what comes next. I'm excited. More shortcut. Stay tuned and good luck.